Students, today I am going to discuss question number 5th of brain teasers. It is given that 270 multiplied by 15, this is equal to 4050, and find the product of 270 multiplied by 16. Here student, let me recall one thing, that we always know that multiplication is repeated addition. If I am multiplying 217, if I am adding 270 15 times, then I am getting the product 4050. So this is the product I am getting, and if I add 270 16 times, then the product will be, if I add 270 to 4050, right? Let us take one example. If I am adding 2, how many times I have added 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times now I am adding. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10 is the answer. I can write directly this thing also like this. 2 multiplied by 5, this is equals to 10. So in the similar way, when I am writing 270 multiplied by 15 is equals to 4050, that means I am adding 270 15 times. Okay, so the answer is this. If I am adding 270 16 times, then what do I have to do? I will just add 270 to the product, 4050 plus 270. Now add it separately. 4050 plus 270, this is equal to 0, 12, 1 carry, 3, 4. So this is 4320. Coming on to the second part. Now here 270 multiplied by 14. So now 14 is 1 less than 15. So that means we have to subtract this 270 from 4050. So your answer will be 4050 minus 270. Subtract it. 4050 minus 270. Now 0, carry from here 10, it will become 9, and then this will become 15. So 8, and here it will be 7 and 3. So the answer will be 3780, right? So in this way you can solve question number 5th. Coming on to question number 6th. Question number 6th is, what is the total cost of fencing 275 plots of land if the cost of fencing one plot of land is 950? Now students, here we have to check which concept we have to apply. Now see here, underline the digits first with the numbers which are given. There are 275 plots and the cost of one plot is 950. Now here students, cost of one thing is given and you are supposed to find out the cost of many. So that means here you have to multiply. So write the statements for it, and cost of fencing one plot is equals to rupees 950. Cost of fencing 275 plots, this is equals to 950 multiplied by 275. Now multiply it here. Write it in this format, and then 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 9s are 45 plus 2 is 47. Now erase this 2. Coming on to the second digit, put a 0 here. 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 9s are 63 plus 3 is 66. Coming on to the third digit, put 2 zeros here. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, 0, 1 carry, erase this, write 1 here, 2 nines are 18 plus 1 19, so add this now, 5, 7, 5, 12, 2, 1 carry, 11, 1, 16, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2,61,250. So write it here, 2,61,250. Thus the cost of fencing 275 plots is this. You can write the answer like this. Now coming on to the last question of this brain teasers, that is fill in the blanks. The first one is 7612 multiplied by dash is equals to 40 multiplied by 7612. We know that the by order changing the product will remain same. So the answer will be the 40 hai, 40 is given. So write 40 only. Now anything multiplied by 1 is the number itself. So it will be write 89210 here. Here again, if the order is changed, there is no change in the product. So here 5 is not there, so we will write 5, and here 515 is not there, so we will write 515. Next, now 10 multiply by, this is oral multiplication. If we will multiply 10 by 800, the answer will be 8000. Now 176 divided by dash is equals to 176. If we divide a number by 1, then only we will get the same number. Now dash divided by 82 is equals to 0. Only if we divide 0 by any number, the answer is 0 in that case. So coming on to the G part, if 85,715 divided by 35 is equals to 2,449, then okay, here also we know that if we divide a number by this, the product is this, and if we divide this number by this product, the answer will be 35. So it will be 35. We have done this in the previous question also, right? Now also if we divide 7542 by 1000, the quotient will be, you know that how to do it orally. 3 zeros are there, so we are going to remove 3 digits, 542. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. So write 7 in the place of quotient and 542 in the place of remainder. So students, in this way you can solve the brain teasers. I hope the concept is clear to you all. Thank you.